Speak English with teacher. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning. How are you doing today, friend? Did you sleep well last night, my dear? What are your plans for today? Tell me. Let's have some coffee before we go out. I need to get ready for work now. It's a beautiful day. Let's enjoy it fully. Don't forget your keys before you leave home. Have a great day, and see you later. Can you help me with this, please? I don't understand this part. Can you explain? Let's take a short break and drink water. I'm busy right now. Can we talk later? That's a great idea. Let's do it together. Please send me the file when you finish. I'll call you back after this short meeting. Good job. You did really well this time. I'm hungry. Let's go eat something delicious now. Can I have a cup of tea, please? The food looks great. Let's try it together. I'm full. Thank you for the tasty meal. Do you want some dessert after your lunch? The soup is hot. Please wait a little bit. I like spicy food. It tastes very good. Let's order pizza and watch a movie tonight. How much is this shirt? It looks really nice. Do you have this in a smaller size? Can I pay by card or only with cash? That's too expensive. Can you give a discount? Thank you. I'll take this one for sure. Excuse me, where can I find fresh bread? I'm just looking. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. See you next time. Let's watch a movie and relax this evening. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. I need to clean my room. It's messy. Can you please help me wash the dishes? I'm tired. I want to go to bed now. Please open the window. It's too hot here. Don't forget to water the plants today, okay? I'll take a shower and then cook dinner. Good night. Sleep well and sweet dreams, okay? The weather is nice today. Let's go outside. What's your favorite movie? I love comedies too. I like your outfit. You look great today. Long time no see. How have you been? Take care. See you later, my dear friend. I really enjoy talking with you every day. That's funny. You always make me laugh hard. I love meeting new people and learning English together. I'm so happy today. Everything feels so good. I feel tired. I need to rest a bit. I'm nervous about tomorrow's big presentation, really. I feel sad sometimes, but I stay strong. I'm excited to start something new this week. I'm bored. Let's do something fun right now. I'm proud of myself for trying very hard. I feel calm when I listen to music. Can you call me back in 10 minutes? I'll text you when I get back home. Please wait for me. I'm coming right now. I can't talk now. I'm on the bus. Let's meet tomorrow morning at the same place. I lost my phone. Can you help me find it? Can you take a picture of us, please? I'll be there soon. Just give me time. Excuse me, how can I get to the station? Turn left here and walk straight to blocks. I'd like to buy a ticket to London, please. The train leaves at 7 in the morning. If you like this video, click like and subscribe.